Okay, I've got my Roper made by Whirlpool washer and dryer set. It's in excellent shape. There's just one little ding up here. Beyond that, they're in excellent shape. Worked really good. This guy's working on a large load. Got it running through the regular cycle, so filled up. Agitator's working great. And I'm going to let it run through the full cycle. And I'll bring it back so that you can see that it does spin out the way it's supposed to, and it's nice and even and level and no weird noises or anything like that. Just want to show that the washer works. So we'll let it finish up this cycle, and I'll come back for the spin cycle and then show you the dryer. Alright, we got this guy on finishing up of the spin cycle. Spinning nice and fast. It's nice and even and level. No weird noises or anything like that. And those are kind of the important things. And so once that's done, we'll get those moved over to the dryer and let you see and hear the dryer. That way you'll know they both work. Let's go. We'll give it a few minutes to finish up and switch over to the dryer. Okay, so that finished up. Got the clothes moved out of there so you can see it's nice and clean. And I've got the clothes popped in here. Close this up. Go on that. Just nice and stable. It's not bumping around, no thumping noises or anything like that. And I'll show you that it is heating up properly. A little spot right here on the top, and a lot of these over time, people set cans and stuff on top of them. I'm going to touch that up so that'll look like new when it's done. But this is my heating gun. Whatever you point it on, it's going to show you the temperature. So we'll open this up and shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of there. There is one little chip here. These are about $4 on Amazon, but I'm not going to wait the 2 days. I'll let somebody else do that. You just pop a screwdriver in here. This pops out, put the new one in. Not a big deal there. Otherwise, these are good to go. You can see they both work great. They'll definitely get the job done. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, have a good day. Thanks.